Morning, LazyAssTrader here, and we're looking for an opportunity to get in. Since opening, it's run straight up. Take a look at this. That's the 500 chart since open. Boom, all the way up. Goes up, pulls back, goes up more. So we'll see if we can wait for an opportunity for it to go up again, up into the 69 and break through that. In the meantime, here's what it looks like here on the speed up. Have to be very careful on a run like this from open. Any one of these spots like this here could be the rollover on the starting of the turn down. But so far, it doesn't look like it. Looks like I'm going to be getting in here. Now I'm going to want to watch the 200 for my exit for any signs of trouble. So I'll pull my 200 on my Ninja. Anytime it breaks through this SMA, I'll want to consider exiting. I'm in here with a stop already, and the target, it's a 16 tick target. Stop is at 12. We do need to look at possible resistance points here. We're at around 69 now. A little bit over here. 72. Going back to here, and in this range here. So we'll just watch it. Keep my 200 open. Right here, this is the 200 right here. There's a bit of support building, small support, 27.69. I really don't want it to come back down. If it comes back down here again into the 68s, we'll dump this one. And then reset if we have to. Move my stop so I don't have to hit the emergency exit button here. like this at all. See a bit of support here being built, hopefully. Come back to my entry here, which is good. Hopefully it keeps going. Take a look at the ninja. 200 tick. I've let my stop down here, 68 and a half. And she's coming back. Looks like I might get stopped out here. My stop is really tight right here. It's basically 7 ticks, which is really tight. But just trying to be really conservative. Really trying to push up here to new heights. I'm going to pause it and come back when something is happening one way or the other. It's still having a little bit of trouble here. That's not good. That's a 200 there. I'm going to get stopped out. You just can't push it any further this morning. Doesn't look like. Yep, it's time for me to get out. Or not. If I can get up to my entry again, I think it'll make it. This will be the third attempt. 70-ish. Anyways, I'll pause it and we'll come back. Okay, it's pushed up to new highs, pulled back a little bit. I've moved my stop 2768.50, which is a tick below this support line here, because I'm really not sure if it's going to be able to push up any further. I don't like being in trades this long. Usually my trades are support or level breakers, and they make quick runs and then I can lock in profits. But today I don't know. We're sitting up here. This 500 is rolling over a little bit here. My yellow SMA, my black are going to join here soon, so I'm losing confidence in this trade, in this position. So we'll see here. Yep, I'm done. Most certainly going to get stopped out here. That's a lot of downward pressure. There you go. So it might run up here, at which point I will get in once it breaks this plane. But you can see here on my Ninja, everything's starting to change. So it's going to be, I'm going to have to watch very carefully, and the next trade's going to be super, super important to not lose. So I'll check back in the next trade.